Valentine's Day vocabulary. When is Valentine's Day? It is on February 14th. What do we say? We say Happy Valentine's Day. What do we give? We give Valentine's cards, candy, and chocolate. What do we see? We see Cupid. Cupid. Red and pink hearts. Red and pink hearts. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Cupcake. Cupcake. Balloons. Balloons. Chocolate. Chocolate. Candy. Candy. Cards. Cards. Rose. Rose. Box of chocolates.